Why men need cloves? So cloves is an ingredient found in India which is very beneficial to human life. You can add it in your diet or in anything that you are eating, you want to eat. Once you add cloves, it can also help your body system. But before I proceed on the benefits of these cloves or why men need cloves, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. If you are new on this channel, you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So what are the benefits of cloves to men? If you are a man, you want to perform well, consider taking cloves because cloves will give you so many health benefits. But I am making this video based for men. That is, I am making this video to specify the benefits why men need cloves. So number one reason why men need clove is that it helps in manpower. Yes, if you are a man, you always like to last longer. You always like to perform well. Consider taking cloves because cloves will help you to last longer. And once cloves can help you to last longer, that means it is a natural manpower which you need to take to last longer as a man. Number two reason why men need to consume cloves or the benefits of cloves for men is that it helps to get rid of premature ejaculation. If you are a man, it does not take time for you to come or for you to do your thing without wasting much time, of which that wasting much time or spending more time when you are doing your job is what your partner need. So if you don't spend more time to satisfy your partner, it is also known as premature ejaculation. So if you experience this or you are undergoing premature ejaculation, consider taking cloves because with cloves you will always last longer and you will get rid of premature ejaculation. Now, number three reason and the final why you need cloves as a man is that cloves will help you to improve your sperm cell, and with this it helps in sperm motility. Yes, constant intake of cloves can help you to increase sperm motility. So if you are a man, maybe you experience infertility or impotency or erectile dysfunction or anything that makes you not to perform well as a man, consider taking cloves from today henceforth. Once you do this, you will always be the best man you ever think of. So cloves has so many benefits, but in subsequent time, I will give you other health benefits of taking cloves. So that is it in today's video, and that is what I want to share in today's video. Please, for the benefits and for the health of men, consider taking cloves and share this video to all men. Even women can watch this video and also share it with their partner or with their friends to get all this benefit or all this knowledge. But not only men that will get all these benefits. In terms of libido, cloves can do it. So in terms of manpower, cloves can do it. The same thing is also applicable to women. Once women consider cloves, it will help them to last longer. So that is it in today's video, and that is what I want to share in today's video. If you are new on this channel, consider to hit the like button, subscribe to be a member of this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop your comments in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.